Hello, my friends. We are on our third Sunday of aggressive prayer, and we are going to pray for your health. In Exodus chapter 15, the Lord says that if you will obey my commandments, I will put none of the diseases that are on the Egyptians on you. None of the diseases that are on the Egyptians on you. So what that means is that just because a sickness manifests itself around you or in society or in your family doesn't mean that it has to come upon you. The Lord says, I can protect you from that. So this is why this Sunday we're going to pray against generational sicknesses. We're going to bind them and we're going to claim our victory over them. So make sure you invite your friends, you invite your family members and come together, because the power, the healing power of God is going to manifest itself at Tabernacle of Glory. 6 o'clock in French, 8 o'clock in Creole, 11 o'clock, in English. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.